Hello everyone, today I have a very hot topic for you. It is all about business process re-engineering. You will come to know how you can cut down all of those steps which are not adding any value to your processes. But please let me remind you, if you are new here, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get all notifications about my new videos. Don't go anywhere, stay around, we'll be right back. Business process redesigning is a management strategy that focuses on the redesign of workflow and business processes. It helps many companies to reduce and to cut down their operational costs. That will help you have a better management of your team. That will help you have a better customer service. That can transform your company into a world-class competitor. The management of any company will need to think deeply about how they can redesign the process of their management. And now we have a question begging for an answer. What is a business process? A business process is a set of business tasks that you perform to achieve business goals, right? Business process re-engineering is also known as business process redesigning or business transformation. It is a practice of rethinking and redesigning the way work is done, the way you do your work. But why? Why we need to redesign the work and the way our work is done? Because it will better enhance the performance of your organization for sure. The use of information technology is a key area for process re-engineering, as it will facilitate the decision making of the organization. Redesigning and re-engineering starts with a high-level assessment of the organization mission, strategic goals, and customer needs. Some questions are asked here in that stage, like what? Does our mission need to be redefined? Are our strategic goals aligned with our mission? Who are our customers? And what are our customers expecting from our products or services? Those are very many questions that needs to be asked at that stage. Business process re-engineering has three main benefits or three main advantages. The first one, it is cost cutting, and it is promotes quality, and it has better customer satisfaction. It is cost cutting because it cuts down all of those steps which are not productive, which are not adding values to your processes. And it promotes quality because it provides a clear picture of who does what and when does he have to do it. Everyone knows exactly what he has to do, what step he will be involved in, and all of those steps which are not adding any value will be eliminated. It can also have a better customer satisfaction, and it can also have a better customer perception, because customers' needs will be satisfied and will be met so quickly and efficiently. So that business management strategy has three main benefits, which can help all companies grow their business and have better customer satisfaction. The first benefit, as we've agreed, is called cost cutting. It will cut down your costs. The second one, it promotes quality. It will always be focused on quality of your processes and products or services. The last benefit is all related to customers. Your customers will have better satisfaction, better perception about your company in the market. Now let me talk to you about the steps of business process re-engineering. What are the steps involved with business process re-engineering? There are main 4 steps for business process re-engineering. The first step is appreciating the need for a change. You first feel that you need to change. You must be convinced why making the change is essential for your company. If the company is not doing well, this convincing stage shouldn't be so hard, because you know exactly that your company is not doing well. The management will have to play the role of salesperson. What a salesperson or what salespeople do, conveying the grand vision of a change. They will need to convey the vision of a change and show how it will affect everyone, even the lowest ranking employees, positively, in a positive way. This is the first step. The second step is to allocate your professional team. Decide what is the team who will do that business process re-engineering. Like any other project, business process reengineering needs a team of highly skilled and motivated people who will carry out that step. The team consists of some competent managerial and operational staff who can lead that process, who can lead that project of process reengineering. What about the third step? Third step is to identify the malfunctioning processes and key performance indicators to enhance them. You first have to identify all of those defaults, all of those malfunctioning processes in your company, and you have to set some key performance indicators to enhance them, to decide have they enhanced or not, are they changed or not. So you need to compare those processes which are not doing well against those performance indicators that you set. So once you have a proper team in place ready to start the work, you will need to set some KPIs, key performance indicators. Those KPIs can work as guiding rules for efficient and effective performance, against which what you will do, you will compare your current processes to those KPIs. KPIs will need to be different, and they vary depending on what? Depending on the nature of the process. So they are not fixed KPIs. No, KPIs vary depending on the process and the nature of process that you are trying to change, that you are trying to enhance. But sometimes KPIs are common, known, and widely used as a starting point. But after that, you will need to adjust them. KPIs are not fixed. You will need to adjust them. But as a starting point, there are some commonly used, widely used KPIs. Like what? Like duration, for example, the duration of achieving some task, duration or span of time. Like production line change time. If you need to change the production line, how much time you will take. Like wastage rate. So those are commonly used ones, but you will need to change and adapt and have some specific or special KPIs for your malfunctioning processes. Okay, what about the last step or the fourth step? The fourth step is re-engineer those malfunctioning processes and compare them to KPIs. We have said that we have identified some malfunctioning processes in the third step. And we also said some key performance indicators. Okay, so the last step logically is gonna be what? To re-engineer and redesign those malfunctioning processes and compare them to KPIs. This is the final stage. And once you get to that point, there are so much things to add, right? Once you reach that last stage, there are some points to add. What you have to do now is keep putting your theories into practice. You keep practicing. You keep trying to enhance those malfunctioning processes. And you keep looking at your KPIs. So after that one, you will be able to compare them and see, have I enhanced them? Have I changed them in a better way? And check them and test them. Did they provide any solutions to my malfunctioning processes? Are they well? Are they now functioning well? Have I been able to cut down my wastage rate, my time consumption for achieving some task? Are my customers a bit satisfied? Have I received already some things, some good things, like some customer is writing me a letter saying thank you so much for delivering my products or doing whatever. Now you have came to the last step where you will keep practicing and you will keep trying to identify those malfunctioning processes and apply those things to enhance them already and compare them to your KPIs. Well, that wraps up our topic for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm Sami Helsai. Thank you so much for watching me, and until next time, see you then.